Hello again, welcome to my channel. You see, these Bluetooth headphones are not charging anymore. What I mean, it's looking like the main battery or the main case battery doesn't keep a charge anymore. So if I connect this to a power supply, I have a blinking red LED in here. I don't know what that means because I couldn't find anything related to this symptom. If I'm taking out, I have a blue color here, which shows a charge for a few seconds, 5 seconds, something, and it's gone. Something wrong with the battery or with the electronics inside there. Let me have this power tester, input USB, yes, output USB. We got 5.38 volts there, and I have a 17 amps for charging, 170 milliamps. Well, in fact, this is not bad, but I'm absolutely positive it should be more. Just wait a second, I have another pair of headphones. Here I am. We need another cable. Okay. Now we are talking. 0.38 charging. Blinking means charging. Well, this is interesting. Okay, let me use this cable. Maybe 0.58, 0.18, 180 milliamps. Because it was loading for one night and still the same. Look here. 1, 2, 4, 5, and it's gone. So it doesn't keep the charge anymore. Nothing left to do but to open this guy and let's see what's happening there. There you go. Easy. Okay, we got 2 batteries inside there. Come on out. Should be nice to have an USB-C port. 2 cells in parallel. In fact, I'm afraid there are not at all 2 cells. It's looking like, oh no, it's just a piece. Guys, look here, it's just a piece of iron or something, you know, to make it feel heavier. Oh man, that's amazing. I have a kind of BMS here, I can see it. Let's just check charging currents, nothing else. So plus here, minus there. Same story, 0.18, and we have the blinking LED here. But we have a blue LED, which stays on. Look there, people. Yeah, of course, that's the way it should behave. That means it's working, of course. 0.19 milliamps. Oh, that's the standby current or something. 10 milliamps for the LED. 110 milliamps with the LED on. What is this? And it's gone. Okay, it's probably all these wires in between the things. There we go, 100 and yes, it's charging. 0.01, that's the standby mode, and then that should go down to 0.2 milliamps. Okay, turn off. Yeah, right, standby mode. Yeah, so it's working. It's okay. Let's wait for that little battery to charge and check the results. So, a few hours later, here we have the results about this little battery, this little cell, in fact. So, after 3 rounds of charging and discharging, the final result is absolutely disappointed. So we got the first charge, 250 milliamps, 170 discharge, then another charge, 167, and that's it. So I may say with this configuration, including the BMS, the battery is half of the supposed capacity. That can be an answer to my problem, and very possible the same story about internal resistance. You know, the electronics feels that the internal resistance is way too high, and it's stopping the charging. You see, what I'm going to try to do is to have a direct connection with the pads here. So I will just get rid of the electronic, because sincerely, I don't think we really need that. The charging system, as we can see right here, it's working absolutely fine. We have like 707 milliamps pushed into this cell, 3 hours and 55 minutes. So yes, it's doing the job, no doubt about it. And try to have a direct connection to the battery, to the cell itself. Because anyway, everything is protected here. The charging circuit is taking care about the limits of the charging and discharging. And inside the bots, we also have an electronic circuit for taking care about the charging currents and, you know, limits and so on. So it shouldn't be harm if we just bypass this circuit here. Let's see now about the internal resistance. 392. Yes, much better. Absolutely better. Okay, let's try now a fast charge and discharge. Okay. In the meantime, I can stop this experiment here because obviously it's working great. There is no problem there. I don't have any other cell for now for this battery, but I remember that I have some leftovers, you know, these little guys from inside the bots. So why not having 6 of these in parallel, and that gives me like maybe 150, 180 milliamps and 100 from there. So we can have a kind of battery, and it's plenty of place to fit all these guys inside there. Reuse all the resources. Some masking tape. This is really nice for being very good thermal resistant. Maybe I can fit another one in here. Of course I can. I just got a cycle, a charging of 260 milliamps, a discharge of 229, 230. So consider this. Okay, let me stop that because I got no more patience. Anyway, consider that inside here now we have 2 batteries or 2 rows of cells, and it's still not enough. But all right, that's it. Let me put the things back together, and until I'm gonna find a proper battery or cells, I consider this okay. 250 milliamps plus, like that. Okay. Yes, the blue light is on, like that. Now it's perfect. Still working. We have the blue light. And it's charging. Let's see if it stays on. It's looking like, yeah, it's charging. Let me see if we have any charging current. Of course you do. Yeah, 180 milliamps like before. So this is the normal charging current for this kind of headphones from KK-TWS-01-MX. Okay guys, I consider this a fix. I use things I have already in my, in my house, in my shelters here. And no, this is the most important thing, to fix things with what you got around. So I don't need to order any new parts or anything else. But of course, in my mind will be to order a couple of new cells, even better, because it's plenty of place inside here for a bigger capacity. But for now, I'm satisfied. Keeping the things running, it's very important. Don't waste the resources, okay? Please consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to like, and I'm waiting your comments too. In the meantime, be creative and have fun. Bye bye.